Hey everybody, it's Fred here from Twoloosebricks, and I'm here with another mail time. Yes, I just finished up editing that last video of mail time for part 1 of my recolor building of that set, and I went to the post today and part 2 came in, or it could be part 3, I don't know, but it's one of the sets of Bricklink parts that I've ordered. So I'm going to open that up now and see which one it is, and we'll count that one off and make sure everything is there for us, and we'll wait for part number 3 to come in the mail. So, okay, so it's not this one, it's going to be that 2-pager. So it's that 2-pager apart, so it's the bigger set of parts, and nicely done up. I can pretty much count everything that's right there without taking it out of the bags. So that's good. So there's one of them, and then we'll go in order here if we can. 2 greens. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the blue is yours. Yes. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pieces. Gear racks, 11 by 11, 4 of them. Now we're at this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like, yep, 8 of them. And let's see how many of the little white ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You stinker. You're down underneath. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And I should have 15 gray axle connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I had more over there of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those are done. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 4 and 2 makes 6. And that page is done. Excuse me for my throat. Don't know what's going on with that today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. White rounds. 4 and 4 makes 8. 1 of the 4x4 plates. And 1 line plate. And there is 1 line plate there, or 2. Actually, there's 2. So, 2 line plates. And 1 1x4 green. Yep. And 5. So that makes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, that order is all in and complete. We can mark that off now at Bricklink. And part 2 is in, and we'll wait for part 3. But I think now that we got these pieces, we can actually start the build and go from there. We'll see. I'll have a look. Like I said, I got to sanitize all these anyway, so maybe that's what I will do next. Talk to you guys very soon. Peace.